bike before, so self-taught, pretty good. Not too bad. You guys can complain if you want. Make fun if you want. Go for it. I'm having fun. That's all that matters. Can never find neutral. Where are you? As soon as I kill the bike, I find neutral. Every time. Dude, guys, this is so much fun. Besides, like, the extreme heat. Ugh. That was not fun. Whew. My helmet is sweating. Like, this is beyond fun. I think I finally got it running decent. I do need to get a filter on there pretty quick before I trash the carburetor again and have to clean it. I mean, even after that little ride there, I probably got to clean it again already. Now that I know everything's up and running, man, I think I'm gonna finish this thing off, like, paint wise. So I'm gonna repaint the front forks and hubs, probably get new tires, clean up the rims, and try to get those chrome as I can pop. Same with these, clean the springs up, probably service the front forks. And I mean, they're bouncy, everything's got good compression. Spring wise back there is super stiff, but I only weigh 120 some pounds, so that doesn't necessarily help. Man, this thing is like spotless now. I probably won't end up getting the, I just noticed all that around there. The oil tank for it. I'm just going to mix, but I'll probably eventually get the oil tank once I get turn signals and headlight and get a title for it. So if I can get it titled, I'm gonna get it back on the road. Then I will get an oil tank for it, so I don't have to, you know, bring oil with me or something. So, yeah, I don't know what you guys do for road trips on two strokes, two cycle. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.